फाइनली 1 लाख तो मेरे पास कलेक्ट हो ही गए। अब एक आईफोन तो फटाफट खरीद लेती।
यही तो करते हैं सो कॉल्ड मिडिल क्लास और पुअर, अपने पैसे लगा के लग्जरीज खरीदते हैं। वहीं जो अमीर है वो तो ये सारी चीजें फ्री में खरीदते हैं। सबसे बड़ी गलती तो उसी समय हो जाती है जब हम अपने खून पसीने की इनकम से लायबिलिटीज खरीद बैठते हैं, और वो भी सिर्फ इसलिए बिकॉज वी वांट टू लुक रिच बिफोर गेटिंग एक्चुअली रिच।
Now what actually the real rich do is they buy assets from their income, और उसके बाद वो assets 24/7 मेहनत करती है तो जनरेट इनकम, और फिर जैसे ही उन assets से एक कैश फ्लो बनता है, then they use that extra money to buy their luxury. Here they didn't actually work to buy the luxuries, but their money work harder to buy it. बट यहाँ पे भी आके आप गलती कर सकते हो, इसीलिए रिच डैड ने एक वार्निंग दी थी कि once a dollar comes in your asset column, never take it out because it becomes a permanent employee. Only use the extra cash flow to buy the luxury only if needed, वरना उस इनकम को दोबारा assets में लगा दो and to generate more cash flow. By this part we are going to wrap up chapter 2, but now we are clear with few things forever. First one is that academic success is not the measure of financial literacy, but worry not, this series is made in a way easy to understand and remember for free for you guys. Secondly, don't only work for money but also make money work for you.
It's not about how much money you make, but also about how much money you can keep and how hard that money works for you.
Last but not the least, the assets should pay for your fun. And in chapter 3 हम बहुत ही famous advice के बारे में सुनेंगे, mind your own business. But if you want me to start the chapter 3 series more fast, do not forget to comment and like, क्योंकि अभी तो I'm not starting. इतना सभी अगर helpful था तो like और subscribe तो कर ही सकते हो।